Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? So welcome to this session of this is a series of videos in which we are showing you how you can make use of the Excel functionalities to solve the algebraic and what you say Olympiad math uh, and square root, etc. Such sort of problems can easily be solved and verified. You can use Excel as a verifier, not that you do all those steps which are normally students are supposed to take, but at least if you want to quickly get to the answer of an algebraic equation, so you can use Excel for this. And it's good for the teachers, those who want to work out certain problems for their students to solve, to give them the exercises. So we have made this system which automatically generates the quizzes for you and with the answer for your information, and the multiple choice quiz is automatically generated for your audience, for your viewers to try to solve it. Of course, the solving pattern and will be used as explained in the essay logic. This is not an alternate of this. This is actually automatic a system which automatically generates the problem for you, and you know that what should be the answer after taking all these steps. If the uh, mm, if the student is coming with a definite answer which you already have it, then uh, he is passed, otherwise he fails, right? Okay, so today's equation is this, and we have seeing this equation, we have made a bit of enhancement in our mode. So normally we were taking the previous VBA code, copying it, and just making a bit of a removal of the hard coding from it and this. So we have made this time it's more means intelligent. What it does, it tells you it gives you these three things to set. The first thing is answer row. Definitely, there is one answer row on which the answer has to be. So answer row is 91, right? This we have said. And the check row means there has to be a check row, means this is the formula which checks if this is are equal to equal, or if they are uh, deducted with each other, and it becomes the answer is 0, then it is going to place 1 in here, and once 1 is here, it means the answer is arrived. Otherwise, it will keep on attempting, right? So we have the option that we can divide the two things, the equation in the two stages. First stage is this left side of the equation, that is x cube. So x is unknown in the beginning. X is unknown, right? So uh, so the x row is also something which we would like to make it a variable. So this is the x row. X row is row number 93. So these are the three things. The rest of the thing uh, will be and will not be using any hard coding. This will be checking the check row. Sometime it is checking the check row, means check row is this, and X row is this, and the answer row is 91. Yeah. Okay, so these are set on the rest of the program may be copied and executed, and you will get the answer, right? So you have positive and negative routines here. First is a positive routine, yeah, and the other is the negative routine, right? Here we have the first is negative routine, and then we have a positive reading. If it will first of all try the positive sequence. If it does not work, then it will go to the negative route, right? So there is no case of the so it will. It's a simple solution problem, and it will be resolved in the positive side. There, so this code will not be required to be executed since it will reach through the positive, right? So let's put a breakpoint in here and see what does it do, right? So let's say we click in here, so it just stops in here. Now it has started 100 attempts of doing the positive. So what does it do in the positives? It takes and it increases the value by 1, right? Yes, and it checks what is the difference between the two. If the check row is not 1, it means there's a difference. So it will keep on adding. It will keep on adding because it is positive root, so it will be carrying. In the negative row, it will be deducting, right? So positive row, it is adding, adding, adding until it reaches either to the 100 attempts. So that's well. Otherwise, it will it will return, right? So let's click. So it reaches the 3. As soon as it added 3 and it reaches to 1, you see, so that's why it came out and the answer is achieved, right? So let me clear all the breakpoints and run it. So this is how the problem is achieved. So answer is 3, right? If you click in here, you get the answer. This is the right answer for the value of X is 3, right? Now, since this is the question which is unposted at the moment, not posted in here, so let's post it into our database. So our database is already loaded. That's why it is ready just to proceed. So it will add only one question. So only those which are not posted. So this question is added into our database. Let's go and see. Yes, this is the answer is 3. And you can see that all the and the second choice is the right answer. Sometimes it comes 3 third choice, sometimes 2. So it is randomly doing it intelligently. Okay, so it is using its own description and discretion to choose the right choice. Okay, so this is the answer. So you know the second choice is the right, that is 3. That's it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.